Now we'll go for the second video. In that second video, see, I am continuing that property of a exterior angle. See, you are seen about in the PQR, in that one PRS is a exterior angle, and here angle P and Q are called as that will be the remote interior angle. See, P and Q are called as a remote interior angle, and here one property also they are given in your textbook. The measure of exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measure of a remote interior angle. Means here, if I want to show it, that see, here I am showing one figure. See, in that one ABC, in that one ACD is called as an exterior angle, and here angle A and B is called as a remote interior angle. And if you want to find out the major angle ACD, how you can find? You have to add major angle A plus major angle B, and if you add these two, we'll get a exterior angle measure. They are given here. See here, this will be the properties there, and using this property, you want to go for the practice set number 21. See, in the practice set number 21, here they are given the question, and they are given one figure also. In that one, see, they ask here, angle ACD is the exterior angle of ABC, and here they are given ACD is a 140, and A angle and B angle is a remote interior angle, and what they ask, find the measure of that angle A and B. How to find out? See here I drawn the figure and I written this question shortly, but from the textbook you see it, that question, and write it full in your CW book. How to write? See here, you know the property of exterior angle of a major angle ACD will be the sum of the interior remote angle. Remote interior angles will come. Means whatever the ACD is there, that will be the major angle A plus major angle B. They are add, will get a ACD. And here in your textbook, see, in the question they are given, the measure of angle A and B are equal. See here, using this point, I want to start this answer. How I can start? See here we have to write major angle A and major angle B are equal. That you consider X, and using the property of exterior angle property, what will come? Major angle ACD equal to major angle A plus major angle B. But both they are same. Therefore, I consider that will be the X. X plus X equal to 140. And here 2X equal to 140. Now I want to find out X value. 2 you will take this side and will get X equal to 140 divided by 2 will get 70. Means you can find major angle A as well as major angle B, that we are getting 70. Then using this exterior angle property, you can solve the question number 1. Okay. Now in the next question, they ask here, one more figure they are given, and here they ask, using the measure of angle of given in the figure alongside, find the measure of remaining 3 angle they ask here. See here, they are given this 8y, they are given this the 4y, they are given this the 6y. That I want to find out. And here how you can find? See here, for solving this one, you can use a vertical opposite angle property you can use, and one more property you can use here, linear pair angle property. See here, this angle plus this angle plus this angle, you are getting linear pair. Again, if you come below, that also 4y plus this angle and this 6y will getting linear pair angles. And here 8y opposite will be the vertical opposite angles are there. Then using this two property, vertically opposite angle and linear pair angle property, you can find 4y value, 8y value and 6y value you can find. Then how to solve this one? I am showing here. See here, major angle AOF and major angle COD. See, their angles are vertically opposite angles. See, this angle and this angle. Okay. And here AOE. See here, AOE is where? AOE. And AOE is a sum of the major angle AOF and a sum of the major angle EOF. We'll add these two angles. We'll get this 4 total AOE will get. And now you put the value of this. 6y here will come and a 4y. 6y plus 4y will get 10y. Okay. And afterwards, see here, you know it, major angle AOE and AOB will be 180 because they are angles in a linear pair. See, major angle AOE they are given. See here, AOE and AOB. See, these two, this and this, these are this linear pair angles, and linear pair angles sum will become how much? 180. Then here see 10y plus 8y equal to 180 will get, and that addition will get 18y equal to 180. Then y value will find out, will get a 10 degree. And using this y value, you put this y value for finding the 4y value, 6y value and 8y value. And afterwards, we'll get the major angle AOF will getting 60 degree, major angle BOC will getting 40 degree, and major angle EOD will getting 80 degree. Then this way you can complete the second question. Okay. And question number 3 is there. That question number 3, they are given here one isosceles triangle, and in that one they want to find the major angle ACB and AC they ask. And how you can find this angle? You see here they are not given the that figure, they are not given, but you only yourself you want to find out this figure. And this is the isosceles triangle, and here using the angle in a linear pairs and angle in a linear pairs and again the exterior angle of a triangle property, you can find the major angle A and a major angle B you can find. Okay, then here see, here you want to use first angle in a linear pair property, because here see this and this angles are linear pair angle and their sum will become what? 180. Then first you find out the value of x, and afterward this value of x you put it in this 3x minus 70 and 8x plus 10, and afterwards we'll get a major angle ACB and major angle ACD will get. And now afterward exterior angle of a triangle property, here you know it, here ACD is a exterior angle, and if you add this A and a B angle we'll get a major angle ACD. Then using this exterior property of a triangle, you can find the value of a major angle A and a major angle B, and here also major angle A and a major angle B both are equal, because this is the isosceles triangle will be there. Then this is about the, what you can say, the practice set number 21, and this is a complete lesson of our 4th. Okay.